Hi friends, I just received my new garden hooks. We are going to use them to hang these mosquito killing lamps. So let me show you. They come in 3 separate parts. They are 48 inches high, but they come packaged in 3 different parts, 3 sections. Let me show you. This is the part that goes in the yard, in the patio. Okay. You can see it's a big hooks here, so whatever you hang from this won't move, won't fall apart, won't fall down. Okay, perfect. So we're going to use them to hang these lights, and it will be great in our patio. Okay, the package comes with 2. Great. So let's install them. We're gonna wait so they charge with the sun. But as you can see, these hooks are nice. They don't look very invasive in the garden. I mean, they look nice, and you can hang from them anything you want. They are 48 inches high, so they are great accessories for your garden. Thank you. As you can see, the hooks now are serving as base of the mosquito lamps. You see how practical the hooks are. We're happy with them. Perfect.